Hello guys, welcome to my channel. From today I'm gonna teach you chess from basic rules. As you can see in the screen, this is a chessboard. It has 8 vertical rows and 8 horizontal rows. So totally we have 64 squares on chessboard. As you can see, half of them, or 32 squares, they are white or light color squares, and half of them, or 32, they are black or dark color square. When you sit in front of chessboard, in right corner it should be one white square, and the white pieces player, it will sit in front of row numbers 1 and 2, and the black pieces player, it will sit in front of rows number 7 and rows number 8. In chess, we will call each horizontal row a rank and each vertical row a file. The ranks, they have numbers, so rack number 1, rack number 2, up to rack number 8. And file, they have alphabetic letters. So file A, file B, up to file H. On chessboard, we have another kind of rows which are not horizontal, not vertical. As you can see on the screen, this kind of line. So this kind of line, we call them on chessboard as diagonal. As you can see, in each diagonal we have the same color. So for example, in this long diagonal we have just black color squares, and in this one just we have white color squares. So in the middle of board we have 4 squares. As you can see on the screen, we call them center squares. To name each square on the chess, we have to use one letter and one number. For example, as you can see on the screen, this square is E5 square, because it is in file E and rank 5. So we call it E5 square. Or, for example, this square, we call it as C6, because it is in C file and rank 6. So we call it square C6. To name each diagonal, we have to use the first square and last square. For example, this diagonal, it is A1 H8 diagonal. Or for example, this diagonal, it is H1 A8 diagonal. In chessboard, we call rack numbers 1 to 4 as white camp, and rows number 5 up to rack number 8, we call it black camp. And file number A to file D, we call it queen side, and file E up to file H, we call it king side. So this is all about chessboard. If you like it, please subscribe on my channel and share it. Thank you. See you in next video.